Hi, I'm Jane Gates. Gates & Croft Horticultural Design is my company where we do landscape design and consultations. And this is my new book, All the Garden's a Stage by Schiffer Books. Just came out. Fun read, not so serious as most of the other books, lots of learning. However, that's not what I'm here today for. Right now, I'm here to talk about how to attach vines to a grape arbor. And in this case, put my book down. We're talking about attaching grapevines to an arbor, which kind of makes sense. The interesting thing about it is grapes don't really need a heck of a lot of help. But what you do want to do is when you first plant your little grapes, you want to tie them to whatever supports you've got in your arbor. And the best thing to do is I've got some nice little garden tape here. This is the best stuff to use because it kind of stretches and it lets the plant grow, it doesn't bind them, and you can tie it in knots, you can tie it in a bow, you can even tie it any way you want, and you can wind it around several times. Get your little new started base of your grapevine well attached to the arbor so it knows where it's supposed to go. Another thing you can do is, if you really want to go cheap, and I'm good at that, check these out. Seen these on your lettuce, other vegetables? Nice wires, easy to tie. As your grapevines grow, you may find, since they grow incredibly fast, and don't be surprised if one of your grapevines you come out and you find it like 2 feet long 2 days later, and you say, you know, you can almost see them grow. They grow so quickly. So you'll have long shoots like this, and I'm just going to use my little cheap fix-it here. And if they get too long, you can simply, this is a twist tie, or tie them any way you want, connect them to your arbor so they follow the shape. What you want to do is keep aware, this is not a real heavy support arbor. The heavier ones are probably going to work even better, but you can see this little guy is just laden with goodies coming out, and they're heavy. The whole grapevine is heavy, so you want to make sure all of those pieces are well attached. The long hanging out shoots that'll come that sort of look like they're going to come out and grab you, those guys, keep them trimmed back. It looks neater, it looks cleaner, it encourages your grapes to hang nice and softly like this. And that is how you attach vines to a grape arbor, particularly nice tasty grape ones. So come on in, we'll be harvesting soon. You're welcome. And if you want to keep up more information on grapevines and other things, if you're not eating your hair instead of your grapes, you can try checking out my site at www.gardengates.info.